At Bridge, we're specialists in fire retardant made-to-measure curtains, blinds and soft furnishings for the contract market. We install our high-quality, made-to-measure products in care homes, hotels, student accommodation, specialist healthcare facilities and many other non-domestic residences all over the UK.
Bridge is built on a foundation of core company values, and these resonate throughout the team and the way that we do things. Our values are positive approach, strive for excellence, collaboration, win-win and trust.
Our team consists of people who clearly demonstrate these values every day.
You'll see these values shining through when you interact with our team, be it when you first meet our expert surveying, sales and customer services team, or our professional fully employed installers when they come to fit out your site.
We are also experts in providing anti-ligature curtains, blinds, cushions and ensuite doors for specialist behavioural health units. We offer a range of anti-ligature curtain styles depending on the risks present in your environment. These include load-release curtains and blinds that are anti-ligature and reduce the risk of weaponisation.
We only manufacture our curtains using fire retardant material. When you order from Bridge, you can be confident that your curtains or blinds will comply with British Standard BS 5867 for fire retardancy.
Our vision is to make fire retardant soft furnishings incredibly easy, as we aim to be the #1 contract curtain company in the UK.
Bridge Contract Interiors, the company you can trust to always make it right.